Hi, in this video I will show you how to use WebWave AI features. First, I will generate the website from a brief description using AI Website Builder, and then I will show you how to keep working on this website using AI Writer and our design features. Sounds interesting? Let's get into it. To generate the website, you go to the Webmaster panel and click AI Website. Then, you describe what website you want to create and hit Generate. This time, I'm making a website for a modern Italian restaurant. As you can see, the whole process of generating the website is nicely animated. You get a real-life preview of AI generating your website page after page. Our website builder generates the layout and color palette, decides on fonts as well as picks images and writes copy for your page. After a quick wait, your website is ready. For my restaurant, AI created a 4-page website, including a homepage, offer, contact page, and gallery. Each page is easy to navigate and functioning. Now, let's customize this website a bit. Starting off with the logo on the homepage and swiftly moving on to fonts. The one picked by AI looked great on this website, but I still want to try something different. I go to the website tab in the settings panel and then text styles. By changing the formatting here, each header will adjust automatically. It saves so much time and effort. After fonts, I will tweak the colors a bit. Still in the website tab in the settings panel, you will find the global colors section. Similarly to text, by changing in here, you will switch up the color palette of the entire website. If you have established brand colors for your business, you can easily implement them here. Of course, you can change the size and position of each element of the website, even if it's an AI website. You can still make use of our free-form drag-and-drop interface and create whatever layout you want. Moving on, we have an About Us section. The text here is a bit too long for my liking, so I will quickly rewrite it with WebWave AI Writer. You just click on the text and the AI icon and write what you want to change. I want the text to be shorter. As you can see, it's done in no time. Below, we have a section with a bunch of statistics about my website, so I'll just quickly change the content to accurately describe my business. But overall, a section like this is a great way to showcase your brand's accomplishments. Below, we have another section, and here I simply move around elements to add more personal touch to my website. Below, we have another section, and here I simply move around elements to add more personal touches to my AI website. Now that it's done, let's go to the gallery page, where I will replace some images and add new ones to reflect my business better. Every element is customizable so that you can truly use our AI features to create a useful website. And that's our AI website. As you can see, the whole process was very effortless. With AI, you can just skip the staring at the blank page and just start working on the website that was already created with your needs in mind. Let us know in the comments if you plan to use AI in your design process and what you think about WebWave's AI features. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully, see you in the next one. Bye!